Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Ayushman, currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we will be discussing about the subject Introduction to Python Programming. Today we will discuss about the topic Password Locker or Password Locker code in Python programming. Now let's start our slide with Introduction to Python Password Locker. Then discovering the power of Python-based password management, this comprehensive presentation explores a versatile tool that secures our sensitive login credentials, simplifying and digital lifeline. As we know, our life is fully digitalized. We have passwords on every each and everything, like phone, cell phones, etc. Then, what is Password Locker? Password Locker is a digital tool that securely stores and manages your login credentials, various online accounts. It acts as a centralized vault, protecting your sensitive information from prying eyes and potential data breaches. By using a password locker, you can generate and store complex, unique passwords for each of your accounts, eliminating the need to remember of reuse of the same password multiple times. Actually, the password locker is a code that usually encryption saves your codes. That helps in protecting your files or mobile phone or anything from any other. So if you enter the correct password, then only it will be unlocked. Otherwise, no. Benefits of using a password or password locker. First benefit includes improved security by eliminating the need to remember and reuse weak passwords. Second, centralized management of all your login credentials into secure digital vault. It in second point it shows or it explains that centralized management of all login credentials are secured. Then third, ability to generate complex unique password of your each account. In each account, we can use different passwords and unique passwords that cannot be easily guessed by any other account or any other people, so that it can easily be unlocked. See, then fourth, convenience of accessing your credentials from any device with the password locker app. We can access our files from any of the device by on cloud or by using the password. We have the password to unlock the file. Then, at last, reduced risk of data breaches and identify theft by protecting your sensitive information. We can reduce the risk of data breaches as we encrypt the file by a password. Then it cannot be unlocked by anyone. It can be unlocked who knows the password. Then setting up the password locker environment. Installing Python, create a new project, then set up your IDLE. Begin by installing Python. Begin by ensuring that you have taken the latest version of Python installed on your system. This open source of programming language is the foundation of password locker application. Then creating a new project, setup of new project directly of your password locker application that keeps your code organized and easy to manage. Then setting up your idle. Choose a code editor, integrated development environment that you comfort with, as such as Visual Code, PyCharm, Python idle, and etc. These tools provide a seamless coding experience. Then creating a password locker program is the important thing or major thing in the password locker project. With the foundation laid, it's same time to dive into the core foundations in Python password locker. It involves the designing of the programs, architecture, implementing secure storage, and crafting a user-friendly interface to manage your login credentials. Like here we can see a normal or as usual normal program. Import random import string, then print hello world, welcome to the password generator. Length we give as int input. Int we give for integers, then low string, upper string, num string, then symbols is equal to string punctuation. These all are the functions used in the password locker program. Then password is equal to join temp, print password. The print password uses or gives the statement print. So then we will write password. Then if the password is correct, the file will be opened. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, it will show that your password is wrong. Key functions and their explanations. The password locker program includes several key functions that provide a core functionality. Functional add password allows to store a new username and password. Add password generally gives and or allows you to store a new username or password in the system. Then get password retrieves the stored password or given username. Then list password displays the list passwords, always the saved usernames which are saved in the system. Then finally delete password removes the old or weaker passwords from your username or password on the locker. Then you can set a new one from the add password. These are all the four functions of accessing add, password, get password, list password, and delete password. Then these functions work together to create a comprehensive password management solution, enabling you to easily add or access maintain sensitive login credentials. Then key function, that's all we have studied in the previous slide. Add password, get password, list password, delete password. That's all. Add password allows you to store a new username and password in the system or vault. Then get password retrieves the password that lets you look up stored password. Easily we can say stored password. Or list password shows the review of all passwords you have stored. Then delete password removes the password that you don't want to be the file to be locked with. Key functions and their explanation, these all four we described, we have discussed in the previous same we it here it has been little bit elaborated or explained in a difficult way we can say. Function basically store a new login credential including website, username, password, etc. and scripting the password before storing it. Then get password retrieve a stored password. Delete password enables you to remove a password. Then list password will view all the login credentials or saved in the password locker. Then encrypting and decrypting passwords. Encrypting the password locker utilizes advanced encryption algorithms such as AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, to ensure that the security of your passwords. Nowadays, it is using AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, that is used to describe the security of your password. These algorithms scramble to the data, making it to unreadable to unauthorized. Then secure key storage. The encryption key used to protect your password is stored securely within the password locker application only, accessible with only the master password known only to you. There is also security key, or we can say the secure key that a password gives for one-time use or for longer time use, so that it can also be opened with this, but is stored in the cloud storage, and it can only be viewed or opened by the master password, which is set by you only. Description process. When you need to retrieve or stored password locker application district data using the encryption key, this allows you to view the original password in secure manner. Then cryptographic safeguards. Password locker incorporates the additional cryptographic safeguards such as password based on key derivation and general further strengthen the security of your password and protect it. Then storing and retrieving passwords. Secure database, seamless retrieval, and device synchronization. The password locker stores your encrypted login credential in a secure database protected by advanced encryption algorithms and robust access controls. Then seamless retrieval. When you need to access the stored password, the application seamlessly decrypts the data and presents it to you by entering the password you have entered, ensuring that the sensitive information remains secure. And device synchronization. Your password locker can be synced by across multiple devices, as you can add or view your credentials logins from anywhere online on web. Then error handling, security considerations. Error handling, like password locker application anticipates and gracefully handles a variety of errors such as invalid user input or connection issues or encryption failure. Password and security. Strong password policies, including the length and complex uniqueness and other. Then network security, like secure communication protocols such as SSL, TLS protects the transmission of the data between the password locker and other users. Then data protection, comprehensive data backup or mechanisms have safeguard are in to safeguard information. We have lots of backup and on web data files manager that are also safer way, but we should apply a password on them so no one can access them. Then at last, the last slide, conclusion and next steps. In conclusion, the Python password locker provides a robust and secure solution for managing your online login credentials. By leveraging advanced encryption techniques, seamless data management, this application empowers you to take the control of your digital security. Nowadays, today, our every digital instrument, we can say like laptops, mobiles, or any web development instrument, like are generally protected by a password so that no one can access them from anywhere. So that's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.